When we asked Miguel how he keeps the famous beard of one of his clients, style writer David Coggins, so fresh, he told us his most trusted tool is Wahl's corded peanut clipper. It's cheaper than the magic clip, but that isn't why he likes it. Miguel says, in his opinion, cordless trimmers are overrated. Cordless trimmers are overrated. I find that trimmers you can plug into the wall have the power to last years compared to wireless ones where the battery slowly gets worse. Aside from having a cord, two other things he likes about the peanut are that it has the quality of any Wahl product and comes with 4 attachments that he says are perfect lengths for trimming a beard down from a robust hedge in the winter to astroturf in the summer. The peanut is also the favored beard trimmer of former strategist columnist Chris Black, who praised it because it's cheap, dependable, and fits in your designer dope kit perfectly. If you prefer cordless tools, the peanut also comes in a cordless version that takes 2 AA batteries. The Wahl Peanut Classic Clipper or Trimmer comes at $51 in Amazon and it's corded. It weighs 4 ounces, it has 4 guard attachments, and it's also available in a cordless version. That's all for today. The Wahl's 5-star detailer blade trimmer is less expensive trimmer for styling, comes recommended by Barber, Perry Passage View. It's corded, meaning you won't need to worry about charging a battery, and as for its performance, View says he likes the finish and power of the blade. He also says that while it comes with guards for properly trimming a beard, when used without a guard, you get an exposed blade for outline, detailing, and a close shave. Exposed blades don't sit in line with the body of the trimmer but rather jut out from it, and some barbers prefer them for creating outlines because the shape makes it easier to reach more sensitive areas. According to View, with most clippers there is normally a hump under the blade that makes it hard to get closer. He says, but an exposed blade allows you to get to those hard to reach areas. As we read in some reviews of this trimmer, the exposed blade also increased the risk of cutting yourselves. So it's best suited for folks with a bit more experience trimming at home. Butler likes this trimmer for tightening up mustaches since it has a T-blade, which gets its name from the edges of the blade sticking out from the trimmer like the top of the letter T. The curved edges allow you to get into the nooks and crannies under the nose and around the corners of a mustache. According to him, this will give you more control and potentially help you avoid cutting too hair hair off of an area you are working in. He, like Petitbue, appreciates that the trimmer is corded, allowing it to deliver consistent power. You don't want to end up with only half of a handlebar mustache after all. The Wahl 5-star detailer blade trimmer is now at 7% off in Amazon and it's only at $65. It's corded, it weighs 6.9 ounces, it has adjustable T-blade and it has 3 guard attachments. Wahl's cordless magic clip might be the Wahl's cordless magic clip is the most powerful, sharp and capable beard trimmer on the market. It gets the job done whether your beard is long or short, says fellow Barber founder Sam Buffer, citing the fact it comes with multiple but not too many guard options to get the length just right. He also told us the quality of a Wahl blade makes this trimmer the most bang for your buck compared to other models at similar prices. He also told us the quality of a Wahl blade makes this trimmer the most bang for your buck compared to other models at similar prices. As as Wall's blades stay sharper for longer. According to Buffer, Magic London's Woodsmith is another magic clip devout, praising it for its combination of lightness and power. These qualities make the cordless magic clip one of the best hair clippers too. He loves to use it on both himself at home and on his clients at work. It's the top product to own if you want to recreate a barbershop experience in the comfort of your home. He says a statement that was quoted by fashion stylist Neil Cohen, Miguel and Alejandro AJ Albano, a barber at Taft NYC. Podcast host Ronnie Pershala told us he also uses the Magic Clip on his beard. The Wahl Magic Clips is also available in a corded version. The Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clips comes at $106 at Amazon and $120 at Sally Beauty. It's cordless. The battery life of Wahl's Professional Cordless Magic Clip is of 100 minutes. It has self-sharpening blades, weighs 16 ounces, 8 guard attachments, and also available in a corded version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.